Welcome to Kenton's videos. Enjoy the video.
In this video, I will compare Jeep Compass versus BMW X3. We'll dive into what makes each SUV unique, from their design philosophies to their driving dynamics. Understanding these distinctions is crucial for choosing the right vehicle for your lifestyle. Let's explore the core characteristics of both models, starting with their overall appeal and intended use. This comparison will highlight their strengths and weaknesses. When it comes to performance, these two SUVs are in different leagues. The Jeep Compass, with its standard four-cylinder engine, focuses on reliable everyday driving and decent fuel economy. It's built for practicality and light off-roading. The BMW X3, however, emphasizes dynamic performance, offering powerful engine options and a sport-tuned suspension for an engaging and luxurious driving experience on paved roads. It truly excels in acceleration and handling. Inside, the differences continue. The Jeep Compass offers a comfortable and practical cabin, featuring user-friendly infotainment and durable materials suitable for adventure. It prioritizes functionality. The BMW X3 elevates the experience with high-quality finishes, sophisticated design, and cutting-edge technology, including larger display screens and advanced driver assistance systems. It provides a more luxurious and tech-forward environment for its occupants, reflecting its premium segment. For capability, the Jeep Compass truly shines off the beaten path, especially with its Trailhawk trim, offering impressive ground clearance and specialized four-wheel drive systems for rugged terrain. The BMW X3, while capable in adverse weather with its xDrive all-wheel drive, is primarily designed for on-road performance and luxury. Ultimately, your choice depends on whether you prioritize rugged adventure or refined driving pleasure. Check the description for a link to those meal prep containers and other great deals.
Thanks for watching. Consider subscribing if we helped you.